I'm Violeta Azevedo and I'm a transversal flute player with electronics.
I'm Félicia Atkinson. I'm a musician, composer and artist, and I play mostly electronics and piano and voice. And I feel really inspiring because since I use voice, I was always curious to work with someone who also kind of use his or her voice, but as a flute.
Things I knew about Félicia was the use of the voice and the power of word that she has in her compositions. The sonic experimentation that Félicia does and the texture.
We first had a discussion about, I remember when you called, I was in my garden and we talked a lot about feelings or being outside or...
We sent each other photos.
Yeah, photos of the sun. That was really inspiring as a kind of common landscape we would build. And then we sent each other sounds, also playlists.
We did worked a lot before also.
Yeah. The fact that there was like a solid common ground as a correspondence made the real meeting pretty straightforward, and we were already advanced in the music somehow. Half of it is really composed and
we improvise on it, but many sounds are already a lot of thought and
written.
Yeah. They should close their eyes and enjoy these chairs. They are very comfy. They look very comfy, like if they are in a park. I can't wait to be playing because that's the best feeling.
Yeah, me too. I feel we are in it already. And I think those plants around us, they are like silent companions that somehow are going to play with us. And we are inside the forest right now already. So it's nice. Thank you.